Good afternoon everyone present over here. Myself Shriparna Bhawal of class 10A, and today I came over here with my classmate Richa Paul to we both have made a project model of physics, and the model is electromagnet. And today we will show you that what is electromagnet and how does it work.
So before showing our project, I would like to thanks to our Sir Amit, for giving us this opportunity, and which will help us in future to make some models if we take science stream, and also I think it's helpful for our work, for our creativity.
So let's start and let's understand what is electromagnet. So electromagnet is a type of magnet in which the magnetic field are being produced when current flows through it. So, and it attracts the ferromagnetic particles. And we can find this electromagnet in refrigerator and motors, generator. Then we can also in the electrical bells, magnetic locks and all. So here we can see where it has been used. Yeah, so we can see that electromagnets are mostly used in motors, as I told before. Generators, relay, mechanical solenoids, loudspeaker, hard disks, MRI machines and all. So how does it work? Let's see. First, the materials we require to make this are a copper coil with it, and a battery. We have taken a battery of 9 volts, and a switch, and a big iron nail, and some pins. So first we have to wrap 300 turns of copper coil on an iron nail frame. So then we have to burn the two ends of the copper coil to remove the copper coating, so that the current can flow easily. And we have joined the positive side of the battery to the switch. As you can see here, the positive side has been attached to this one side of the switch, and the other negative has been attached to the one end of the copper coil, and the other end of the copper coil is attached to the other side of the switch. So as we know, current flows from the positive terminal to the negative terminal. Here we can see this. So if we on the switch, here magnetic field will be produced. So we can detect it. See, here we can see that magnetic field has been produced here, and it attracts the ferromagnetic particles. So if we now switch off the switch, and then the magnetic field will not produce here. Demagnetized. And from here, the magnetic field will be produced from the north pole to the south pole in the outward, and inside the copper coil, the magnetic field is from south to the north side, south to the north direction. And so here we can see that if we take this side and we switch on, then the magnetic field will not be so stronger, so it will not attract the ferromagnetic particles in a proper way. So here we can see but this is not as stronger as if we do with this side, because here the copper coil turn is more than this side, and here the magnetic field is more stronger than this. So we can see this. So this is our model. So we can see. So this is how the electromagnet has been worked, and further she will tell.